Bitcoin hovers around $61,000. Ether stays below $3,000. Robinhood Q1 crypto trading surges 224%. $20 million bridged ETH returns to Zcasino Multisig, raising hopes for a refund. Optimism to roll out new Superchain features for Layer 3 developers. Core Scientific sees revenue surge Q1 2024 after emerging from bankruptcy. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower as US Treasury yields rose and interest rates ticked higher. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, hovered around the $61,000 crucial mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.7% at 77,000 points. Interestingly, Core Scientific, a leading Bitcoin mining firm, has returned to profitability after reporting a breakout first quarter with mined BTC worth $179 million. Core Scientific's return to profitability and its relisting on the Nasdaq marks a significant turnaround for the company, analysts believe. Furthermore, quantitative trading firm Susquehanna International Group made a significant move in the cryptocurrency market by allocating over $1 billion to Bitcoin exchange-traded funds during the first quarter of 2024. The majority of its investments are in the three leading Bitcoin ETFs, Grayscale BTC, Fidelity Bitcoin, and BlackRock Bitcoin. Meanwhile, in its latest quarterly report, Robinhood announced a 40% increase in net revenues, reaching $618 million. Specifically, revenue from crypto transactions surged by 232%, amounting to $126 million. According to the company, the cryptocurrency arm played a vital role in driving total transaction-based revenue to $329 million, up 59% over the same period last year. Separately, Japanese cryptocurrency exchange Coincheck expects its listing on Nasdaq via a merger with special purpose acquisition company Thunder Bridge Capital Partners IV to complete in the second or third quarters. Meanwhile, a rapid succession of nearly $2 billion of token unlocks during the next 10 weeks could lower the market for altcoins. Not just altcoins facing selling pressure, over $11 billion worth of Bitcoin will be distributed to creditors of crypto exchange Gemini's Earn program and long-defunct crypto marketplace Mt. Gox. Amid upcoming supply events, one market observer suggested that the FTX repayments might offer some relief. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.26 trillion mark, decreasing 1.5% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume decreased by 1.2% to $63 billion. Going forward, BitPay's data shows that out of almost 50,000 transactions performed last month, 22,345 used Litecoin. This amounts for 41.38% of total transactions, a dramatic contrast to Bitcoin's 11,635 transactions, which accounts for only 21.55%. As Bitcoin transaction fees continues to rise, people are increasingly turning to alternatives such as Bitcoin. In other news, Tether announced an additional investment in CityPay.io to strengthen its Eastern European presence. The funding will enhance the payment processes reach in over 600 Georgian locations, according to the announcement. CityPay.io powers traditional institutions with infrastructure to receive payments in crypto and became the first stablecoin-backed entity to receive funding from the company. Moreover, Injective, a Cosmos-based blockchain whose INJ token price jumped a stunning 33-fold in 2023, only to tumble this year, is now planning a significant expansion, launching its own Layer 3 network in the Ethereum ecosystem based on the Layer 2 project Arbitrum's technology. Well, Shiba Inu has seen an incredible surge in new accounts for its Shibarium platform, a Layer 2 solution aimed at improving the functionality of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency. Data from Shibarium Scan shows a remarkable 1,733% increase in new accounts in just one day. US stock futures fell as momentum on Wall Street waned and interest rates ticked higher. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped by 0.2%, S&P 500 futures were down 0.2%, and while Nasdaq 100 futures fell 0.3%. Bitcoin was trading at $61,100, down 2.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1.1%, trading at $2,970. Solana SOL was down 3.3% and was trading at $141. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $34, lower 2%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 0.3% to trade at $0.67. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2.6% at $0.14. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.3%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.51, down by 1.8%. Polkadot was down by 2.7% to trade at $6.8. However, BNB was up by 1.5% to trade at $593. Cardano's ADA token was up by 2% to trade at $0.45.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. Robinhood CEO Vladimir Tenev described the recent Securities and Exchange Commission Wells notice as a disappointing development during a Q1 earnings call, as the firm posted a 224% increase in crypto trading volumes in the quarter to $36 billion. While Robinhood's crypto-related services contributed to nearly 40% of its transaction-based revenue of $329 million, helping the firm record its second straight profitable quarter with a net income of $157 million. But the strong quarter earnings results come in light of a Wells notice handed to the firm by the United States Securities Regulator last week, which targets Robinhood's crypto listings and custodian operations. Robinhood shares rallied as high as 7.3% to $19.15 in after-hours trading, but has since cooled off to $18.55, according to Google Finance. More than $20 million worth of bridged Ether has been mysteriously returned to blockchain-based gambling project Z Casino Wallet almost 3 weeks after users accused platform founders of an exit scam. On May 9, an X-Feed set up to recover funds from the Z Casino exit scam reported that almost $21 million worth of WST ETH, or Wrapped Lido Staking ETH, had returned to the project's multi-signature wallet, prompting some to believe investors may soon be getting their funds back as originally promised. One of the 3 scammers just sent the funds back to the original multi-sig wallet address, the jail feed said, providing proof of the transfers with Etherscan. Z Casino launched on April 20, offering an airdrop in its native token ZKAS to those that bridged ETH to the platform, promising to return the ETH. However, the gambling project instead moving around $33 million worth of users bridged Ethereum to the staking protocol Lido Finance instead of returning the funds to users as originally promised. Ethereum scaling solution provider Optimism is looking to take its blockchain throughput a step further by onboarding Layer 3 applications on top of the OP stack. On May 8, the Optimism team said that they were welcoming Layer 3s to the superchain, where they can build on the OP stack and share revenue with Optimism Collective. The OP stack is the open standard code base that powers development on superchain, but it is not limited to L2 chain deployers and app builders, said the team, before adding it can also be leveraged by an ecosystem of Layer 3s. Optimism Superchain is a network of Layer 2 chains known as OP chains, which share security, communication layers, and open source technology. Layer 3s will have access to benefits like eligibility for retro funding, airdrops, and developer grant programs, but may have limitations on certain features like interoperability, it noted. Bitcoin miner firm Core Scientific posted improved financial results for the first quarter since emerging from bankruptcy. The company reported a total revenue of $179.3 million, marking an increase of $58.6 million over the same period in 2023. Net income for the quarter reached $210.7 million, an increase from the net loss of $0.4 million reported for the first quarter of 2023. This rise in net income was primarily driven by gains from obligations totaling $143.8 million and a decrease in Chapter 11 financing expenses, said the company. Revenue from digital asset mining reached $150 million, while hosting revenue contributed $29.3 million, according to Core Scientific. Digital asset mining revenue in excess of mining costs stood at $68.4 million, reflecting a 46% gross margin compared to $25.4 million and a 26% gross margin in the same period of the previous year. Now, let's go to Shubham Joshi to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Now let's move on to the buzzing coins of the day. First on the list is Render Token. Render Token, a popular AI token, has made headlines again following a 40% increase in the last week. Currently, the Render price is trading just under $10 with a market capitalization approaching $4 billion. According to on-chain data source LookOnChain, the current Render price surge is being driven by huge whale activity and accumulation. Render price saw a robust increase in Q1 2024, reaching an all-time high in the month of March. Next on the list is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's last transaction volume has increased by 382%, totaling $60 million. This surge is a result of bullish traders' efforts to uphold a crucial 45 trillion Shiba Inu range. The recent rise in Shiba Inu transaction volume, as well as the ongoing battle between bullish and bearish forces, underscore the cryptocurrency's market's volatility. The outcome of this battle may affect Shiba Inu's future price trajectory, analysts believe. Next on the list is Nexo. Nexo, the crypto services provider, has announced the airdrop of 10 million Nexo tokens worth approximately $12 million as part of its Nexonomics campaign. Both new and existing Nexo users can earn points till 11 July by using various Nexo products such as Earn, Borrow, and even fund their accounts. The official announcement of Nexo's team states that in celebration of the 6th anniversary of its market introduction, ecosystem is launching this promotional event. Next on the list is Litecoin. BitPay's data shows that out of the almost 50,000 transactions performed last month, 22,350 used Litecoin network. This accounts for 41% of total transactions, a dramatic contrast to Bitcoin's 11,635 transactions, which account only for 21%. As Bitcoin transaction fees continue to rise, people are increasingly turning to alternatives such as Litecoin. This shift in user preferences could have an impact on future market adoption and investors' interest in Litecoin. Last on the list is Optimism. Optimism, an Ethereum scaling solutions provider, plans to increase blockchain speed by onboarding Layer 3 applications on top of the OP stack. Layer 3 protocols are developed on top of Layer 2 protocols to host application-specific decentralized apps, offering better solutions for scaling, performance, interoperability, customization, and cost. Well, the purpose is to make the Optimism superchain more accessible to developers by introducing Layer 3 capabilities and functionality.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.